So now we are going to continue. I've been giving you these Expo questions on use of English because use of English is a compulsory subject. Whether arts, science, or commercial, you must take use of English and Lekki Headmaster novel. So that is why we must pay greater attention to use of English. This is part 2. I've done part 1. We are doing a series on past questions, Expo questions that will come out in this coming JAMB. So I need you to pay attention to this video. After watching this one, you go and watch the other videos we have done because they are very, very important. In this particular one, we will continue from question 36. We started before. This is part 2, so we are continuing from question 36. If you want me to send you JAMB past questions, especially on use of English, and the other 3 subjects we'll be writing, just watch this video till the end and I will show you how you can get them. If you also want me to give you a JAMB syllabus on use of English and the other subjects 3 subjects you are writing, you can also get it, but it will be at the end of this video. So watch from now till the end so that you prepare yourself. Okay, we are looking at synonyms. In the other video, I told you that synonyms means similar in meaning, right? Choose the word similar in meaning or nearest in meaning. Antonym means opposite in meaning, but synonym means nearest in meaning. So question 36, remember we have done the other questions in part 1. If you have not gotten it, I will attach the link somewhere. You can ask me to give you the link to the other videos we have done. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics below. Sarah's effervescent personality always brightens up the room. What is the question? The underlined word here is effervescent. So we are going to choose the word here that is nearest in meaning to effervescent. Sarah's effervescent personality always brightens the room. A. Reserved. B. Bubbly. C. Somber. D. Stagnant. The answer is bubbly. Sarah is a bubbly. You know what it means for somebody to be bubbly? Somebody that is lively. Okay, that's the word nearest in meaning to effervescent. Are you following? Question 37. John's constant procrastination is hindering his academic progress. John's constant procrastination is hindering his academic progress. A. Delay. B. Diligence. C. Hesitation. D. Punctuality. The answer is hesitation. Hesitation. We are still handling synonyms, so nearest in meaning. He plays the piano with dexterity. What is the word nearest in meaning to dexterity? A. Clumsiness. B. Skill. C. Enthusiasm. D. Loudness. The answer is what? Skill. He has dexterity, he has skill. Remember that sometimes JAMB repeats questions. Sometimes JAMB will repeat the question. That is why you are lucky that you are watching these videos. We have also done videos, Expo questions on the novel you will be reading, Lekki Headmaster. I have done part 1, part 2, part 3, and all the parts. Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel you'll be reading. I've done Expo questions on it. So if you need me to give it to you, just let me know. Tell me to give you the link to the Expo, to the videos we have done on Lekki Headmaster, and I'll give it to you free of charge. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics below. A. The company's redundancies were met with protest from the employees. The company's redundancies were met with protest from the employees. Remember, I've always taught you that whenever you encounter a question, the first step is not to rush and answer the question. The first step is to understand the question. Understand the question. The company's redundancies were met with protest from the employees. A. Layoffs. B. Promotions. C. Efficiencies. D. Expansions. The answer is layoffs. That means they were sacking some employees. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics below. The movie's riveting plot kept the audience on the edge of their seat. The movie's riveting plot kept the audience on the edge of their seat. A. Boring. B. Captivating. C. Monotonous. D. Tedious. The answer is captivating. Even from the sentence, you should know it's captivating. Okay, let's look at best complete. Choose the best complete. Choose the option that best complete the gaps. The team's consistent performance along with their dedication to practice dash their coach expectation. The team's consistent performance along with their dedication to practice dash their coach's expectation. A. Meet. B. Met. C. Meet. D. Have met. The answer is met. Meet. Meet. He is talented musician and it's unlikely that he dash become a famous composer someday. He is talented musician and it's unlikely that he dash become a famous composer someday. A. Wouldn't. B. Didn't. C. Won't. D. Shouldn't. The answer should be he is talented musician and it's unlikely that he won't become a famous composer someday. It's important that you are watching this because there are the similar questions will come out from your JAMB. That's why you need to watch till the end. The new CEO dash the company's strategies resulting in significant growth. The new CEO dash the company's strategies resulting in significant growth. Remember, it's a new person. A. Altered. B. Alluded. C. Eluded. D. Inferred. The answer is altered. That means he changed the strategy of the company. Okay. Number 44. The journalist's article was filled with dash expressions and vivid description. The journalist's articles was filled with dash expressions and vivid descriptions. A. Laconic. B. Verbal. C. Succinct. D. Eloquent. The journalist's article was filled with dash expressions and vivid description. The answer is eloquent. Are you following? That's why you need to watch more and more and more. It is actually easy to fail use of English. Pay strict attention to it. The candidates' dash answers to the panel's question impressed the interviewers. The candidates' dash answers to the panel's questions impressed the interviewers. A. Evasive. B. Explicit. C. Vague. D. Elusive. It should be explicit. The answer is explicit. Explicit. I've taught you any word I mention or you encounter while reading that you don't understand, don't jump. Some people, you will see a word that you do jump and pass. No, don't jump any word. Go to a dictionary. Go to a dictionary. It will help you to answer use of English. Remember that at the end of this video, you will qualify to receive free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus from me. So just watch till the end. The team decided to dash the competition due to the adverse weather condition. The team decided to dash the competition due to the adverse weather conditions. A. Forfeit. B. Acclaim. C. Concede. D. Embark. The answer is forfeit. They decided to forfeit. That is to leave it, abandon it. Okay. Remember, we are still on choosing the option that best completes the gap. Okay. The novel's plot, twists and turns, and the reader's expectation. The novel's plot, twists and turns that's the reader's expectations, making it a thrilling read. The novel's plot, twists and turns dash the reader's expectations, making it a thrilling read. A. The novel's plot, twists and turns befuddled the reader's expectation, confounded, align with, adhered to. The answer is confounded. Confounded. Despite his dash efforts, he couldn't complete the challenging crossword puzzle. Despite his dash efforts, he couldn't complete the challenging crossword puzzle. A. Diligent. B. Lackadaisical. C. Perfunctory. D. Insouciant. The answer should be, despite his dash effort, he couldn't complete the challenging. The answer should be A. Diligent, not lackadaisical. Choose the option that best complete the gaps. The coach's motivation speech dashed the team's determination to win the competition. Choose the option that best completes the gaps. The coach's motivation speech dashed the team's determination to win the scholarship. A. Dampened. B. Bolstered. C. Subdued. D. Hindered. The answer is bolstered. That is, it increased the determination. Remember that you will write use of English. Part of what you'll be writing in use of English is the novel Lakey Headmaster. I've read that book and reviewed it. I've made videos on it, chapter by chapter, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, till chapter 12. I've reviewed it chapter by chapter. If you need it, please, I will attach the link for you so that you go and watch it. It's very important because you need that novel in order to pass your use of English. Her knowledge of idiomatic expressions dash her fluency in English. Her knowledge of idiomatic expressions dash her fluency in English. A. Hampers. B. Enhances. C. Impedes. D. Disrupts. The answer is enhances. That it helps. Right? It helps. Okay, when we will stop at this question 50. When in the next video we will continue with the other parts. Right? In the next video, we will continue with the other part. If you want to receive free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, what you need to do is three things. Like this video, then share this video. Remember, do these three things. Like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. Type I have subscribed. Also, if you want to receive the novel Lakey Headmaster, if you also want to receive a PDF containing all the JAMB CBT centers in your state, so that you will know where to go for your exam registration and where they will post. If you want me to send that PDF for you, and you also want to receive Lakey Headmaster, what you need to do is to join our YouTube channel. Those things are not free. If you join, click on join. There is a small fee you will pay. Click on join. Once you, I think it's 400 or so. When you join, come under the comment and tell me I have joined. Then I can send you those materials. There's a video I'm leaving for you right now. Click on it. Remember, subscribe, like, and share this video now.